Imagine a world where every wish you make turns into reality. Everything you desire comes to you effortlessly, as if the universe itself is working in your favor. This is not just a hopeful dream or a far-fetched idea. The power to transform your life is not hidden in someone else's hands. It's already within you, waiting to be awakened. It lies in the power of manifestation. So, hello and welcome to Way to Enlightenment. In this video, we'll dive deep into a powerful story that will open your mind to the endless possibilities of manifestation. This is not just about wishing for things to happen, but about learning how to harness the energy of your thoughts and direct them towards your goals. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start manifesting your dreams. Stay with me until the end, because together, we're going to unlock your full potential and turn your thoughts into the life you've always imagined. Once upon a time, there was a weary traveler who had been walking for days without rest. His feet ached, his body was weak, and his heart was heavy with the burden of unfulfilled dreams. One day, while passing through a dense forest, he felt an overwhelming sense of exhaustion. As the sun began to set, the traveler came across a large ancient tree and decided to rest beneath its wide, sheltering branches. The traveler stretched out on the ground and sighed, "I wish I had a soft bed to lie on right now." It was just a passing thought, born out of sheer fatigue. But to his amazement, when he opened his eyes, a luxurious bed had appeared beneath him. It was plush, with velvet sheets and pillows that seemed to melt under his weight. The traveler blinked in disbelief, but there it was, a bed fit for a king, offering him comfort beyond his wildest imagination. Gratitude filled his heart as he lay down, and for the first time in a long while, he felt true peace. As he rested, hunger began to grow within him, and once again he thought, "I wish I had a feast right now, with the most delicious food I've ever tasted." No sooner had the words left his lips than a banquet appeared before him. Piles of fresh fruits, roasted meats, cakes, and bread, all so inviting. The traveler could hardly believe his eyes. Overcome with joy, he indulged in the feast, savoring every bite. He laughed in wonder, thinking, "What kind of magic is this? Everything I wish for is coming true." He ate until his hunger was satisfied, and as he leaned back in contentment, his thoughts began to wander. Slowly, greed crept into his heart. For years, he had struggled in poverty, toiling endlessly without ever getting ahead. His eyes lit up with a new idea, and he whispered, "I wish I had enough gold to be the richest man in the world." In the blink of an eye, mountains of gold coins surrounded him, gleaming like the sun. He gasped in awe. No longer the poor traveler, he had become the richest man in the world. His heart swelled with pride, and for a moment, he felt invincible. At first, the traveler was overjoyed, running his hands through the piles of gold. But soon, doubts began to creep into his mind. "This can't be real," he thought. "There must be a catch. What if something is watching me? What if a ghost is playing tricks on me?" The more he dwelled on these thoughts, the more fear began to grow inside him. Suddenly, the air around him turned cold, and a dark, shadowy figure started to form in front of him. A ghostly apparition with empty eyes, staring straight at him. The traveler's heart raced in panic. "What if this ghost is here to kill me?" he thought, terror rising. And just like that, the ghost lunged at him. Paralyzed by fear, the traveler couldn't move. In an instant, his life was taken, not by the ghost, but by his own fearful thoughts. As his lifeless body lay at the foot of the tree, the truth became clear. This was no ordinary tree. It was a wish-granting tree, a magical tree with the power to make any desire come true. The traveler had been given the gift of endless possibilities, but in the end, it was not external forces that defeated him. It was his own mind. His doubts, fears, and negative thoughts had shaped his reality, leading to his downfall. This story holds a powerful lesson about the nature of manifestation. The traveler, much like many of us, started with positive thoughts. He focused on what he wanted, and those desires were fulfilled. But the moment he shifted his focus from abundance to fear and scarcity, his reality changed. The universe always responds to our dominant thoughts. When we think about what we want, we invite those things into our lives. But when we dwell on our fears and anxieties, we end up attracting the very things we don't want. When he focused on abundance, the universe responded with abundance. But when he allowed fear and negativity to dominate his thoughts, everything slipped away. His negative thinking had canceled out all the blessings he had received. The first key takeaway from this story is that your mind is like a magnet. If you focus on success, happiness, and abundance, you will attract those things. But if you focus on failure, loss, or fear, that's exactly what you will bring into your life. Just like the traveler, many of us unknowingly sabotage our desires by letting doubt and negativity creep into our thoughts. Manifestation isn't about wishful thinking or mere dreams. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality you want to create. Everything starts in the mind, your beliefs, your desires, and your expectations. When you set a clear intention, visualize it as if it's already happening and take action towards it. You're signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive. But here's the crucial part. You must also believe that you deserve it. Just like the traveler, if you allow fear or doubt to creep in, you send mixed signals to the universe. The traveler's doubt and fear caused him to lose everything. In the same way, when we focus on the things we don't want, we attract those very things. Now, let's learn some important steps to manifest your dream life. The first step is set a clear intention. The key to manifest anything is to be clear about what you want, whether it's financial abundance, better health, loving relationships, or personal success. If you're unclear or unsure about what you want, you'll send mixed signals to the universe. Take time to think about your desires in detail and write them down. Second step is visualize your desires daily. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools in manifestation. Every day, spend time imagining yourself already living the life you want. Feel it. Close your eyes and see yourself achieving your goals. The more vivid and real your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Your mind cannot distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. So when you repeatedly visualize something, your mind begins to align your actions toward making it a reality. Third step is replace fear with positive beliefs. Manifestation is about believing that you deserve what you desire. Your thoughts must align with your goals. If your mind is filled with doubts like, "I can't do this," or "this is impossible," you'll block your own success. Start by replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations like, "I am worthy of success," or "I attract abundance into my life." These affirmations rewire your brain to focus on positive outcomes instead of fear. Fourth step is take aligned action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positively. It's about doing. Take action toward your dreams. Even small, consistent steps will bring you closer to what you want. The universe responds to action. When you take steps toward your goals, doors will open. Fifth and the last step is trust the process. One of the biggest mistakes people make in manifestation is giving up too soon. Just because you don't see results immediately doesn't mean things aren't happening. Remember, doubt can undo everything. The universe works on its own timeline, not yours. Patience, faith, and persistence are key. Trust that what you've asked for is already on its way. Keep your mind focused on abundance, not fear. So my friends, manifestation is simple, but it requires discipline. You need to consistently focus on what you want, not what you fear. Your energy must match your desires. If you're constantly thinking about what could go wrong, you're inviting those things into your life. But when you think about success, abundance, and possibility, that's what you will attract. You are the creator of your reality. Just like the traveler in our story, the power to manifest your desires is within you. Your thoughts shape your world, and by focusing on abundance, positivity, and success, you can change your life. Manifestation isn't magic. It's a natural law of the universe. What you think, you attract. So today, make a decision to think only of what you want, not what you fear. Act as if your dreams have already come true and watch how the universe aligns everything in your favor. Remember, manifestation is not about waiting for things to happen. It's about making things happen with your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. You deserve the life you dream of, and it's closer than you think. You hold the key to your future. Every thought you have, every belief you hold, and every action you take is either bringing you closer to your desires or pushing them away. So choose wisely. Choose positivity, choose belief, and choose to manifest the life of your dreams. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's spread this knowledge and help more people manifest the lives they've always dreamed of. And comment below. What's the first thing you are going to manifest? Until next time, remember, the key to unlocking everything you desire lies in your mind. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.